Klein, and today I'm going to talk to you about making a rain gauge, which is what we're going to do today. And everyone gets to get in a group and make one. So I'm going to tell you first of all the things that we're going to need to make one. And first things first, we're going to need a 2-liter soda bottle because that's what's actually going to be collecting our rain. We also need a ruler, a permanent marker, and a pair of scissors. So those will be placed on your table, and we'll tell you what to do when you need to do something with them. First thing we're going to do is take the bottle cap off of the soda bottle, which is what we've done already, and then we're going to cut the top of the soda bottle off, which I've also done already, and then we're going to collect some pebbles and put into the bottom of our rain gauge, so whenever we put it outside it will stay there and the wind won't blow it away. Then we're going to put the top of the soda bottle that we cut off into the top, and that's going to be the funnel that collects our rain and what keeps it in here. Then we're going to take a ruler and we're going to measure in centimeters 7 centimeters high on the rain gauge, and then that's going to be our starting point. And then we're going to mark it every one until 13, and that's where we're going to stop.
Okay, now that you all have learned how to make the rain gauge with Mrs. Klein, I'm going to tell you all a little bit about what we're going to be doing this week. First, we're going to make sure that our water is filled up to the 0 mark, and we're going to take our rain gauges to the various places. Group 1, you will take yours to the windowsill right outside the classroom. Group 2, you will put yours on a stake and put it in the mulch right below the windowsill. Group 3 will have theirs tied to the gutter, and Group 4 will also put theirs in a separate windowsill. This way we can compare the different ranges of the rain or the precipitation that it catches. So why doesn't everyone go and do that now?
Hey guys, now we're going to go check our rain gauge to see how much precipitation we collected. Okay, ready? Let's go! The first rain gauge that we're seeing is in the windowsill, one of the windowsills. So can you tell me how much rain we collected?
Okay, now that we've checked our rain gauge in the windowsill, we're going to go check the one in the mulch to see if there is any difference. Oh my gosh, look at the difference in between this one in the mulch and the one in the windowsill. How many centimeters do we have now? If you said 3, you're right. Why do you guys think there's a difference between the one in the mulch and the one in the windowsill? If you thought that the reason that the one with the mulch had more water in it was because it was more open, you're correct. The one in the windowsill is slightly covered, so it doesn't catch as much precipitation. Now that we have collected some of our data, we will continue to do this throughout the rest of the week.
After all of our data has been collected, we will make a graph and compare the results from our graph to the results of the other group members in the class's graph.